In this video, we will look at how to access Report Designer and learn more about the report hierarchy. To access Report Designer within Sage 200, navigate to the Tools icon and select Run Sage Report Designer. The following screen is presented, and on the left you can see the report folders. At the top there is a Getting Started area, and at the bottom a list of 5 recently accessed files. Prior to making any report or layout changes, it's important to understand the hierarchy within Report Designer. This knowledge is required to ensure the correct file at the right location is used or saved, and to avoid updating or deleting an incorrect file. When a report or layout is generated within Sage 200, the software looks for the file name within the folder structure and does that using a hierarchy approach. So the system looks from the top of the file structure down. To give you an example of that, if we were to look at amending the sales order invoice, the system would look within the company folder first, then the custom folder, and then the default folder for that file name. There are 3 main reporting folders. They are the company folder, which relates to company-specific reports and layouts. This is the first folder to be checked for a file name. If a file name does not exist, the system will then continue to look in the next folder. The next folder is the custom folder. This contains customized reports and layouts that can be used across all of your Sage 200 companies. The custom folder is the second folder that will be checked for file names, and if the file does not exist within that folder, it will then look to the next folder, which is the default folder. The default folder contains all of the software default reports and layouts. This is the last folder to be checked for any file names, so if the system did not find a file name within company or custom, it would always revert back to the default report from the software. The default reports should never be changed. If you are currently using a default report or layout and would like to make any custom changes, you will need to save the file either within the company folder or custom folder, depending on where you want those changes to be reflected.